Since the initial release of the PlayStation 5, the Dualsense controller for that console has been the subject of much discussion in the gaming world. The Dualsense has swiftly established itself as a fan favorite among gamers thanks to its one-of-a-kind design and cutting-edge functionality. But how does it compare to the products that are offered by its primary rivals? In this video, we'll be taking a more in-depth look at the PS5 Dualsense controller, comparing it to three of its most significant rivals and demonstrating what sets it apart from the rest of the pack. Let's begin with the controller for the Xbox Elite Series 2 console. The Elite Series 2 is a high-end controller that provides a wide variety of customization possibilities, such as interchangeable thumbsticks and D-pads, triggers that can be adjusted, and many buttons that may be programmed individually. In addition to that, you will receive a high-quality carrying case as well as a charging station. On the other hand, Dualsense has an advantage over its competitors in terms of innovation. A more immersive gaming experience is provided by Dualsense's haptic feedback and adjustable triggers, which are both included in the device. You will be able to experience the action that is taking place in the game thanks to the haptic feedback, whether it's the feeling of driving through mud or the recoil of a rifle. The adaptable triggers can vary the resistance depending on the game that you're playing, which enables a more genuine experience. The next item on our list is the Razer Wolverine V2 Pro controller. So let's have a look at it. The Wolverine V2 Pro is a controller that can be customized, and it was developed exclusively for the PlayStation 5. It has 6 buttons that can be remapped, 2 buttons that can do several functions, and a hair trigger mode. Additionally, it comes with replaceable thumbsticks and a directional pad, giving you the ability to personalize the controller to suit your own tastes. The Wolverine V2 Pro does not have any of the revolutionary features that are available on the Dualsense, even though it has a lot of customization choices. A more immersive gaming experience is provided by the Dualsense controller, thanks to its haptic feedback and adaptable triggers, neither of which can be recreated by using any other controller. Finally, let's examine the differences and similarities between the Dualsense and the Astro C40TR controller, another controller that can be customized to your liking. The C40TR was made with competitive gamers in mind. It has movable modules that can be changed out, such as thumbsticks and a D-pad, and it can be customized to suit your needs. On the other hand, in contrast to other controllers that we have investigated, it does not have the new features that are found in the Dualsense. Other controllers simply aren't capable of providing the same level of immersion that the Dualsense does, thanks to its combination of haptic feedback and adaptable triggers. So, how is Dualsense different from other similar products on the market? It's distinguished from similar products by the presence of novel characteristics. Other controllers simply aren't capable of providing the same level of immersion that this one can, thanks to the haptic feedback and the adaptable triggers, of course. You can talk to your pals without having to put on a headset thanks to the controller's integrated microphone, which also allows you to play video games. In addition, because of its one-of-a-kind design and ergonomic grip, the Dualsense is a controller that can be used for extended periods without discomfort. In conclusion, the Dualsense controller for the PlayStation 5 is a remarkable controller that gives a level of immersion that cannot be matched by other controllers. This level of immersion cannot be duplicated by any other controller as well. While other similar products on the market include features such as personalization possibilities, high-quality materials, and others, the Dualsense stands out from the crowd thanks to its cutting-edge haptic feedback and adjustable triggers. The PS5 Dualsense controller is the way to go if you're seeking a gaming device that can elevate your experience to a higher tier than it currently is. The PS5 Dualsense Edge, on the other hand, is regarded as one of the best controllers since it is competitively priced, with a cost comparable to other high-end gaming controllers, but gives added value with its haptic feedback, adjustable triggers, and built-in microphone. Overall, the PS5 Dualsense Edge provides a premium gaming experience at a low cost, making it an excellent investment for hardcore gamers. So there you go. Do let us know in the comments below if you have learned anything, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content in the world of updates and news for gaming. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.